Welcome to the Katie's Garden Guide to Pruning Perennials. I'm not Katie. Cosmos are a fantastic annual plant. We really love them at Katie's Garden. Very pretty flowers, long flowering. Even though officially they're only 1 year, they often seed themselves like this one has. This shouldn't actually be in this bed at all. People often aren't as strict with them on the deadheading as they should be. They're a plant, it really pays off to go out at least once a week and take out the old flowers. But people don't often cut down as far as they should be. I mean, here, I don't know if the flower broke off or somebody has cut it off, but it's just a bare stem now. It's going brown, it's dying off. So what you should be doing is going right down to the next joint, where you can see a side branch that is doing something helpful. Got this one here, that's finished. If we trace it down, it comes to this joint here, and if we trace this one up, this has still got flowers, so that's where we want to go to. So as the plants get older, you find yourself going further and further down, because once those finish, in fact actually that one has gone, we trace down, there's still nothing there, we're going right down really to the parent stem. But if you don't do that, you just get cluttered up with more and more brown in the plant. So always trace down. Can you see a bud or a flower? If you can't see a bud or flower, go down even further.